How to give a treat to your feathery floof. And that's how you give a treat to your feathery floof. And now your feathery floof can enjoy a snack. Did you just dip that in the water? Okay, does anybody else's parrot dip their treats in water? I've seen parrots clean food before. I had one parrot that we were pet sitting, bigger one than Maya is. He dropped his treat a bunch of times on the ground, and I went back into the kitchen and I repeatedly washed it. And when I gave it to him and I didn't wash it, he washed it in his water. His water was clean, but he learned how to wash his own snack. And that's not even dirty. And she dipped it in the water to clean it. She's so smart. She washes her food just like a person would. Aww. But seriously, put it down in the comments if you've ever seen a parrot wash their food like that before. I have. Have any of you?